Hi everyone, I am Rama Pandian, final year biomedical engineering. Now we discuss about in case study on radiological equipment. In title on design and development of Arduino based GM counter in for radiation detection. In purpose of the GM counter in radiation detection as to develop and low cost portable and audio based GM counter detects the isolation radiation. For example, alpha, beta, gamma ray is mostly used to the radiation monitoring to important and medical industry and environment application. In objective of my project in design a radiation detection system using GM counter tube and Arduino. Make portable, low cost and user friendly education safety monitoring in GM counter. Need of the project. In GM counter mostly need in medical image, nuclear plant and lab and environment mostly used to the radiation detection. In help to awareness to safety to the GM counter. Methodology of my project. GM counter is also known as detect the isolation radiation. It is also called the output pulse. It mostly used to the alpha, beta, gamma ray in detect the GM counter. It in future of the GM counter in mostly advanced to the my project. In workflow is design the GM counter circuit, write Arduino code, next hardware software implement. Application of the my project in environmental monitoring, education and research lab, safety in radiation and nuclear facility. Outcome of the my project is very working portable and Arduino based GM counter. Mostly used to do real time measurement of the radiation. Black diagram is GM counter mostly used to the GM tube detect the high voltage supply. Next, pulse conditional and Arduino input to use to the GM counter. Output display on the LCD circuit. Conclusion of my project in mostly low cost portable radiation and detector device. Thank you.
Morning everyone, I am Valavan, final year biomedical engineering, my teammate Rama Pandian. Today I will be presentation our project on design and development of Arduino based GM counter for radiation detection. Introduction. Radiation monitoring is very important in medical, industrial and environment field. Main objective. Our main objective was to design low cost, portable and user friendly radiation detection system using Arduino board and GM tube working flow. Design circuit, write Arduino code, integrating hardware software, test with radiation source and calibration prototype. Outcome of the project is mainly used to the um, prototype Arduino GM counter, real-time measurement of the laboratories and industrial applications. This is mainly used to the prototype and radiation in research laboratories